Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start hands-on now. Update the Facebook app or use a modern browser so the dark mode option exists. Once updated, sign in with your account and open Facebook. On mobile, tap the three-line menu. On desktop, click the profile or downward arrow in the top bar. You do this first so settings load correctly and options aren't missing. Make sure you're online and that app permissions aren't blocked. This prevents hidden settings from failing to appear. Once in Settings and Privacy, go to Display and Accessibility to find dark mode. On mobile, the path is Menu, then Settings and Privacy, then Settings, then Display and Accessibility. On desktop, it's under the Profile/Menu, then Settings and Privacy. You'll see a dark mode toggle labeled On, Off, or System. System follows your device theme. Toggle it to On to enable Facebook's dark theme. This reduces glare and can save battery on OLED screens. If you want automatic switching, choose System so Facebook matches your device theme. Enable dark mode by flipping the toggle to On or selecting System to sync with your device. Once done, refresh the page or force close and reopen the app to apply the theme across all feeds and menus. Make sure peripheral apps or extensions aren't overriding themes. Browser extensions can interfere. If dark mode doesn't appear, update Facebook, clear the app cache, or sign out and back in. As a troubleshooting tip, if it still fails, try.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.